welcome to the lesson of this week. The first lesson today is Tuesday, May 19th, and we are going to have a grammar lesson. It's about future, but in the past. It sounds a little bit confusing, but it's not so hard, okay? Hope that you have a wonderful day and that you had a wonderful weekend and that you are ready right now to start working, okay? Wish you the best day ever, okay? We are going to begin about this to explain this topic that is about future, but when we were in the past. For example, yesterday I was thinking that it was going to rain, or yesterday I thought that it was going to rain. As you can listen, thought is the past tense of think, and you thought yesterday in the past tense that something was going to happen in the future in that moment, okay? It's a little bit confusing, but I'm going to clarify it for you in a little bit, okay? There are three forms to talk about future in the past. The first one is would plus the infinitive. Remember that infinitives are verbs that are not conjugated, okay? And would is the past tense of will, okay? So will, won't, the negative or contraction, and would, wouldn't, okay? Would be the negative, okay? The past tense of will. The other form is was or were going to plus infinitive. Remember, was and were is the past tense of the verb to be. It's like a past continuous, but only using going to, and then another verb. And then the last form is the past continuous. Remember, the past continuous is formed with the verb to be in past tense, the same was, were, plus ing. But in this case, is any verb with ing. I was playing, I was jumping, you were drawing, okay? That is the past continuous. So, in which cases do we use the future in the past? We use it to express the idea that in the past, you thought about something that would happen in the future, okay? Just as the example that I told you previously, okay? We're going to see a few more examples for you, so maybe in this way you will have it more clearly, okay? First example, I told you he was going to come to my party. I told you, in past tense, that a person was going to come to a party. So in this case, we are using this form. And these cases are used for to talk about plans. For example, this was a plan, it was a party, okay, that was scheduled, and you told another person that he was going to come to your party. So in this case, you are talking about the future, but in the past. Another example is, I knew Julie would make dinner. I'm talking about a voluntary action that Julie would want to make the dinner. I'm using would plus infinitive. As you can see, make is not conjugated, it's an infinitive, okay? Another case is, they were waiting for the bus when I called them. In this case, it's an interrupted action because something was going on in the past when another thing happened, okay? So this is the past continuous. Remember the verb to be plus ing. Verb to be in past tense, okay? And the last example are predictions. I knew it was going to rain. You knew, in all these cases, as you can see, here is the past tense, the past tense, the past tense, but you have another sentence that completes that structure about the future in the past tense, okay? Hope that this is not really confusing for you and that you have catched that and that we will work really good with these exercises, practice them a lot. Hope that you have a wonderful day and see you later for another lesson. Bye-bye!